As the Traslasyon event approaches, the Manila Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office or MDRRMO is taking significant steps to ensure the safety of participants. Recognizing the potential for medical concerns due to the mass number of people joining the procession, the MDRRMO conducted a simulation of emergency medical response over the weekend. As part of their preparation, an advanced medical post, the Manila Field Hospital, has been set up at the Kartilya ng Katipunan beside the municipal building. This facility is equipped with advanced medical equipment capable of addressing minor to severe medical conditions.
So ito na po yung mga pinaka-advanced na kagamitan na makikita natin sa isang mga pribadong mga ospital nandito nakagayak na po.
The MDRRMO has taken a proactive approach by preparing automated CPR equipment designed to perform chest compressions for surviving patients.
Nagkakaroon po minsan kasi ng heart attack dyan dahil sa sobrang init, sa sobrang pagod. Ito pong ating field hospital ay nakahanda po sa mga heart attack patient po natin.
The field hospital is furnished with 30 hospital beds with specific allocations for different medical categories. This includes 5 beds for red category patients needing immediate medical response, 10 for yellow category cases that fall between critical and minor health issues, and 15 for green category patients with minor injuries. In addition to the Manila LGU's efforts, the Philippine Red Cross has also set up 30 hospital beds for medical response during traslasyon, providing first aid to individuals who may encounter health issues during the procession. The Manila LGU has reinforced its commitment to safety with 46 standby ambulances, 34 fire assets, 10 rescue boats, and 6 utility vehicles. Furthermore, the Manila DRRMO is on red alert status for traslasyon, deploying all of its more than 1,000 employees during this religious activity. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.